Violin Hero Grand Finals ng
Music Hero!
Round 2 na po tayo. At dito po makikilala ng ating mga judges ang ating mga grand finalists.
And for this round, sagot ng mga judges ang one song na tutugtugin. Yes, one song lang ng ating mga Violin Hero Grand Finalists.
At ito ang kanilang mga pagpipilian. Everything I Do It For You by Bryan Adams. Hanggang by Wency Cornejo.
To Love You More by Celine Dion. I'll Be Waiting For You by Guys Next Door.
And Love Theme from St. Elmo's Fire by David Foster.
Ayan, pinili na ng mga judges ang pinakasusukat sa creativity at style ng mga grand finalists.
Kanya-kanyang diskarte po ito sa ating mga grand finalists. This round will determine the other 50% of their score.
Wow, grabe. So judges, what's your song choice for this round po?
To Love You More. Alam nyo, yung melody, importante yan sa instrumental piece, no? Yung melody, it has to have a catch. Yung maganda yung hook niya. It should not be too much on the lyrics, pero maganda rin naman nagdadala yung melody dyan. So, ang napili natin ay...
To Love You More.
Ay.
Thank you, Sir John and Sir Joe. To Love You More by Celine Dion is the 1995 hit song from the album The Color of My Love. This won the Japan Gold Disc Awards for International Song of the Year upon its release. American premier violinist and actress Lucia Micarelli also did a violin cover of this song written and produced by David Foster.
Uy, grabe, bigatin. The judges have spoken. At napili na nila ang panlabang kanta sa round 2.
At kamustahin na natin ang mga violin hero dyan sa likod. Aisel?
Hey!
Aisel?
Ito na.
Kamusta naman sila dyan?
Yung ngiti nila parang nanginginig eh. Pero ngayon pa lang guys, congratulations na sa inyong tatlo. Eto, kinakabahan pa ba kayo? Tatanungin ko pa ba? Sige, Shama, kinakabahan ka pa ba? Opo. Gino? Dominic, hindi, no? Hindi, sabi ko sa kanila, huwag kayong kabahan. Importante, after the performance, happy sila, di ba? Eto na, ang mga may iwan mamaya, magsosot sila ng headset para hindi marinig ang performance. Ito, oh. Guys, ang lakas na. Ready na, guys? Okay, good luck. Eto na, mukhang ready na sila. Mag-round 2 na tayo, guys.
Ayan, unahin na natin ang pampatong violin hero ng San Antonio, Zambales.
Judges, siya po ang grand finalist number 1 natin na tumugtog kanina ng Mission Impossible theme song. Baka nagulat po kayo, 9 years old lang po siya. Let's welcome him back, Shama Alegado.
At bilib na bilib ako dahil medyo mahirap yung ginagawa nyo on national TV and very, very challenging. Congratulations. Rinig na rinig ko yung musicality at yung passion ninyo sa pagtugtog. Ipagpatuloy nyo yan. Ang babata nyo pa. Marami pa kayong matututunan. Kung may chance kayong magkaroon ng formal lessons or maghanap kayo ng magaling na teacher talaga para mas ma-develop pa. Marami pa kayong matugtog.
And you're looking at the right teacher. Si Jeffrey. He has taught a lot of violinists in this country. One of them is now in the United States. Si Jeline Oliva.
Yeah.
Who knows, baka maging mentor ninyo si Sir Jeffrey.
Yes.
Marami pong salamat.
Thank you, sir. Ito naman po, pakinggan naman natin ang violinist of Silent Sanctuary, Sir Chino David.
Yun. Congratulations sa inyong tatlo. Ano masasabi ko? Basta, enjoy nyo lang yan. Bata pa kayo, sobrang bata nyo pa. Though usually sinasabi, practice, continue on practicing. Pero don't forget to have fun also. Balance nyo yung pagkabata nyo. Maglaro din kayo. Ha? Ayet? Yun lang. Congrats.
Yan, maraming salamat, sir. At pakinggan naman natin ang masasabi ng Asosasyon ng Musikong Pilipino founder and violinist, Mr. John Lasaca.
Congratulations sa inyo, tatlo, no? Ang violin is a very technical instrument. At itong ginawa ninyo ngayon, nakita ko naman, lalo na sa right hand bowing ninyo. Maganda yung right hand ninyo. Ang labanan nyo na lang ngayon, intonation. Dahil kayo, nakita ko kayo lahat, nandun yung puso, nandun yung passion, may ano na lang, ang kailangan nyo na lang, breaks. At ako ay nagpapasalamat sa Itbulaga dahil binibigyan ninyo ng break atong mga gantong mga bata.
Thank you, Sir John. Ang swerte nyo, taking down notes from Mr. John Lesaca. Chairman and President of Signature Music Incorporated, Mr. Jose Marichan. Your thoughts, sir?
Yes. You know, I was telling John and Jeffrey here that I have a feeling that you probably lived previously. You had previous lives. Because how can you explain 9 years old, may passion as a violin, right? And when I was watching you perform, Shama, it's like the violin was part of your body. Okay? And Dominic, do you have Visayan roots? Bisaya roots? Are your parents Ilonggo or Cebuano or no? Wala? Because your family name sounds Ilonggo. Kasakop. Yeah. So, as the other judges have said, keep practicing. Do not stop. Continue on. And after the show, I want to talk to your parents, okay? May we
Lagot. Lagot. Talk to your parents.
Lagot. Hala, principals always. All good things, I'm sure. Thank you very much, Sir
Thank you,
Joe.
Ito na. Siyempre, ang ating Henyo Master, Tujo. Tujo.
Hindi nyo na itatanong, yung violin, yan ang instrumento na isa sa magandang instrumento pero yan ang pinaka nakakakonsume pag hindi tumatama ang tono nyo. Totoo yan. Kaya ang pinili ko dito yung pinaka mas maganda pumasok sa tenga ko, pinaka maayos, isa lang yun, doon sa tatlo. Okay, so, yung iba ang gulo. Nakakakonsumi talaga. So, kaya habang lumalaki kayo, yun ang pilitin nyo. Ang violin pang ano yan gitna ng gabi, pinakikinggan. Okay?
Joey,
Yes.
I met one guy one time, tapos sabi niya, "Hi Joe, kumusta kayo?" Sabi ko, "What do you do?" Sabi niya, "I'm a violinist."
Okay.
Bully si Sir, bully.
Thank you, Gary Lacing. Okay. Yun lang. Good luck na lang. Ingatan nyo na lang. Ito, katabi ko. 3 lang yung pangalan sa Pinas Lesaca, Cabayaw, tsaka si pinagkakamalang ka, si Ayuka. Yan ang mga sikat bihira kasi yan Kaya bihira rin yung maayos tumugtog niyan. Ingatan nyo na lang. Yan lang.
Thank you very much, judges. Kaya iba't-iba yung mga judges natin. Iba't-iba rin yung atake ng pag-judge nila. You may finalize your score for this round.
At ito, sino kaya kina Shama, Gino, Dominic ang mananalo ng 100,000 pieces at magiging Violin Hero Grand Winner?
Malalaman po natin yan mamaya.
Hi, mga Dapper Cats! Once again, our Violin Hero Grand Finalists.